I am PSDS Rico S. Portem, one of the members of SDO Composite Team of SDO Albay. So these are my realization during our validation in the SGC. So first, it's easy to validate if school heads are aware of the MOBs per indicators. And SGC functionality is evident with all the practices undertaken in the school level. Then there were also capacity building conducted to all the validators, school heads, and the key players in the SGC. So another is SGC is helpful in the attainment of the different programs, projects, and activities in the school level. And lastly, SGC validators provides technical assistance to all the schools during the for the improvement of their practices in the school level. That's why in Albay Division, so we were able to attain 100% functionality in SGC. It's because of these practices. Thank you po.